Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we have a rather special video, as instead of the usual truck, I'm going to be driving a bus. Yeah, I am going to be driving a bus. Now I'm going to find this quite interesting. I've never driven a bus in ETS2 before. I've had a little go at it. It drives really quite smoothly. Hang on. It drives really nice and smooth and has good responsive movements. So we are going to do a quick trip to London. I think it would be a good idea. I've got London set as the destination for the bus, so now all we gotta do is... No, we don't want to send us there. We want to send us there. London. Okay. So now we're on our way on our little road trip. I'm going to stop talking now and enjoy the video.
At the roundabout, take the first exit. Exit right. Keep left, then turn left.
Unfortunately, the only thing this mod doesn't come with is bus lanes. So I have to be within the other traffic, merging, because roundabouts aren't easy in this long bus. But it's worth it, and at the end of the video, just to see what happens, I'm going to try and attach a trailer to the back of the thing, because obviously it still counts as a truck in the game, and I really want to see what happens. So this bus, I downloaded this off of the Steam Workshop, so if anybody out there has Euro Truck Simulator, you can get this bus off of the Steam Workshop. I can't remember who made it. Hang on, it's probably on the back somewhere. It says Christian Cardoso. Look that up in the Steam Workshop, see what comes up. It also says Proton Bus Simulator on the side, so I don't know if this is from like another simulator, or if it's just a sort of reference to a game, or I don't know where this bus comes from, but it is brilliant. Yeah, this bus is absolutely brilliant, because I was going to do an OMSI video. I don't have OMSI, but I was sure have downloaded it for it. I decided not to. I think this is a lot better, because it's a brilliant game. Not saying that OMSI isn't, but this is a brilliant game, and
Keep right.
I'm playing it with a bus sort of a twist.
Go straight on.
So in the future, after this video, let me know if you want to see more of this bus. Because I can certainly do that. One of the things I've noticed is the wheel attachment. I don't know what that is. I'm not like a bus mechanic. I'm not a mechanic of anything actually. But if anybody knows what that is, let me know in the comments. I'd love to find out. Actually, I think we need to refuel. Well, we don't, but I'm going to do it anyway, just for the sake of it. because that way I
Finding
can
new
get my
route.
miles up so that I know where I've been,
Caution. Please mind the speed limit.
because I haven't been to this service station before. All in. Ooh, are we not getting in? Hang on. This is interesting. Maybe it's because buses aren't meant. Let me try and go down here, see if this works any better. There we go. And the fuel tank is full already. Brilliant. Full tank of fuel. And we're ready to begin our journey.
Caution. Please mind the speed limit.
I think I might put a link in the description to this mod for anyone who wants it. It's not my mod, all credit goes to the creator. I'll put a link to the workshop page in the description, because I think this mod is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And I love that I can put the Euro Truck Simulator advertisement on the back. I could have had that as plain glass, but no, I decided to have it as Euro Truck Simulator advertisement. And I think that works really well with the fact of the game, and it also has the original Euro Truck Simulator as an ad. You can also put American Truck Simulator and a few other things, which I think are absolutely brilliant. It's got a pedal to the metal thing on it, so that's quite good. And a lot of other SCS games that are referenced. I also like that it has a load of customization features you can do, and it's only subtle customization things, but it is brilliant, and it comes with all its own customization things and all that sort of thing. So that's quite a great aspect of every mod. I'd love to see more mods like this. So that's enough about the bus at the moment. Let me know on the channel, because I haven't actually had any requests, despite me asking. I'm running out of things to do. If you want me to just mess about in a game, let me know. If you want me to smash up some more Mercedes-Benz like one of my other videos, let me know. If you want any other content, let me know, because I will do it. Providing it's simulator related. I don't want to do anything else. I'm not going outside or recording a vlog. No. No, no, no. Just this. Me, a bus, and a microphone. That is all. So I think this bus is absolutely brilliant. Let me know your thoughts on the bus in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the bus. I need to I need to stop saying bus. But do let me know on your thoughts of the bus in the comments. We've still got a bit to go, like an hour 20 minutes in game, which is not long actually. But yeah, I also like that this bus comes with many different skins. So I chose the Flixbus skin because I think I've heard of it before. I don't know if I've heard of something else. I think it's Fernbus actually I've heard of, which is a simulator available on Steam, which I don't have, unfortunately. Yeah, it's Fernbus, but Flixbus is fine. I like the colours. It's green, which is my favourite colour, and orange, which is the ginger. So not pretty much a 10 from me. We're approaching our first destination, which I put on by mistake. Okay, hopefully it doesn't stop the entire thing. It shouldn't do. Okay, we're now going at like 79 miles an hour. I believe I'm in the right lane. Let me just check. Can I put... I don't see an animation. But I like that it has another noise for that. That's quite fancy. So I've got a lovely engine status display. In the picture it displays my... Oh Christ, the doors are open. Have I been doing it this entire time with the doors open? Hang on, how did that happen? Whoa, 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 how did I do that? Is that intentional? Did I do that? I'm not sure. I don't know why this van hasn't moved. I've got my hazards on. This Renault had the right idea. Hang on, let me just click every button. Z, new, X, new, C, new, not click V, B, new, N, no, M is the map, which I figured out. Hang on, let me have a look at controls. Camera controls, walk command. Activate is enter, so maybe I activate it then. Is it enter? I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna have to drive this entire thing with the doors open. It's gonna be an annoyance. I'm gonna look over the footage to see when that happened, or if it actually happened. I can't figure out how I did that. It wasn't open earlier, I'm sure. Oh yeah, forgot to mention how cool the horn is. I love that. No. Radio player. Is it I? Is it O? I'm going all over the place. Well, I know it's not P. Oh my god, it even has... Yeah, that was not like that before. Well, that's gonna annoy me. Oh, it doesn't matter. It says I'm doing free roam. I suppose I technically am.
Keep left, and then continue straight on. Go straight on.
I'm gonna go from this angle, because otherwise I've got that annoying door opening thing. It won't be G. No, that's garages, isn't it?
Keep left, and then continue straight on.
Wait a sec. It's not the page up and down. No, it isn't. That wasn't the noise of the doors. Aha! I keep missing my turns because I'm pressing over a door. Oh, it is the doors. Oh my god, that's awesome. Well, I figured it out. That's brilliant. I should probably close them, shouldn't I? Aha! Don't do that. That's why I saw no animation. Oh, how silly am I? But I think that's absolutely genius. Well, now we've solved the door problem. How brilliant is that? So I technically did open a window. Or of sorts. I opened a door. Still pretty decent. Oh no, that was the handbrake. I keep forgetting my controls. What am I saying? I don't forget my controls.
Caution. Please mind the speed.
I just don't pay that much attention to them to be able to figure it out. You know what, I decided I'm not going to put a trailer on there.
Please mind the
I feel like that might crash my game. I feel like that might crash my game, and I don't want that, because otherwise this recording is just going to stop without knowing that it actually crashed. Well, at least you won't know.
right.
I will. Well, if the recording stops abruptly, the game crashes. That's how we're going to do things.
Caution. Please mind the speed.
But I have a genius. Oh wow! The Volvo trucks are all Eddie Stobart's. Well, I never. I did actually download that off of the Steam Workshop. That's called the Big Stobart mod. That is a brilliant mod. Okay, so apparently we're going to stop there. I'm going to go up a bit, go round the roundabout, so that we. Oh wait, no, the doors would be on the wrong side. Yes, no, they wouldn't. Oh, the doors are on the wrong side, aren't they? Because obviously stuff. Who cares? We're going to go onto the other side of the road and open the doors. I'm going to go around the roundabout, come back onto the road on the wrong side. Oh, sorry ambulance, you can continue with your doings. Yeah, watch out, Mr. Oh! Am I stuck? I don't appear to be stuck. No, I'm out. We can continue with what we were doing. And that van can stop crashing into my side. Obviously, we're going to be the good people that we are and indicate that we are stopping and open the doors. There we go. Done. Well, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back soon with another one.